My clients don't necessarily understand how difficult the real estate experience is. Most people buy or sell a home once or twice in their lifetime. I do it every day, so I can foresee a lot of the pitfalls. My team is backed by the largest real estate company in the United States, and Global Luxury allows me the tools and available resources to reach not only local buyers, but international buyers. And that's really important to me. What's super exciting, we listed a home just a few weeks ago. We boosted it on all of our social media. That brought in over 2,000 leads. That turned into over 25 showings, 3 written offers, and all 3 offers over asking. What I love about the team, we work together, and that support behind me and the power of Coldwell Banker allowed me to achieve Society of Excellence. I was the only agent in Greenwich to achieve the Society of Excellence in 2020. So when I started in real estate in 2003, I would send an email on Monday and the client would respond on Wednesday. In 2021, they click on my Instagram post and want immediate attention. And I'm lucky because my team can provide that. The rock of our team is Melissa.
My name is Melissa. I hold many hats.
She's in charge of client care, and I always know that my clients are well taken care of when Melissa gives them a call. You won't meet another agent in Fairfield County as enthusiastic as Des, except me.
I'm so proud to work for the Nedder Group and be part of such a great team of high-functioning, hardworking people.
What I love about Kat, no, it's not only the accent. She's meticulous. She does a great job with her clients. She makes sure that nothing's ever out of place.
I think of it as almost matchmaking. I'm pretty good at hand-holding. I like to take care of people. I like to focus in on the details.
My business is built on customer service. It's referral, repeat business, and every happy client refers another happy client. I grew up in Darien. One of my favorite destinations in Darien is Palmer's Supermarket. It's a family-owned market. They have the most amazing bakery. Everyone gives it 2 thumbs up. If you love coffee, definitely Cafe Neat in Darien. That's where you want to go. My #1 favorite spot in Greenwich is Greenwich Avenue. They have lots of little family-owned shops. They have big brands there. Love Cafe Versailles. Super small, super sweet, just a fabulous place on Greenwich Avenue to stop, have a glass of wine, have a bite to eat. If you need flowers, McCardle Florist should be your destination. Absolutely spectacular. In the winter, they have live reindeers, Santa comes, super, super fun. When you think real estate, think the Nedder Group. I'm Charles Nedder, and I hope you'll visit me at neddergroup.com.